In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by opening your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. If you want to go back to standard keyboard, click on the top left corner. If you can't see Clipboard at the top, use those three dots at the top right corner and look for it over here. Now to use it, copy or cut any text. And then to paste it, click on it right away, or click on Clipboard and tap on it over here. If you wish to pin one of your added sentences, use this pin at the top right corner. Click on your text and select Done. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, use this pin also at the top right corner. Click on your text and hit Delete. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can also click on this gear at the top right corner next to three dots. Scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to Save Screenshots to Clipboard to disable or enable it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!